sets us apart is that Mullerie is probably the only interior designer in the country with a dedicated in-house art consultant and almost in-house gallery. So she takes art very seriously. She grew up with art. She has been friends with some of the country's top artists since childhood. And when I met her at Melrose Art, she was always passionate about it. She was one of the few interior designers that I used to work with at my gallery in Melrose Art that took art so seriously from the get-go. So now, when she develops her brand in the Western Cape and in Franschhoek and in Mauritius, she incorporates art from the beginning, and I exclusively work with her and her clients from the beginning to help build their collections. We find art is as important as the decor and the conceptual design of the space. We're 2 months old in this space, but it's just an extension of Mullerie's kind of several-year-old business, but it's just we're refining it with more of an art component. I have a background almost exclusively in the arts. My father has a gallery, I had a gallery, I've been an art consultant for many years, and we handle clients at the very high end of the spectrum, both international and local, who are looking for building long-term investment collections. But then we also deal with people that are just getting started and looking for emerging talent. I rotate the collection all the time, and I'm constantly on the lookout for both emerging and established artists. Our art is primarily sourced from, I would say, the diaspora of Africa. So a contemporary slice of Africa is what we're focusing on. We're client-driven. We're not really artist-driven. So I'm not at the mercy of a stable of artists. I can source from every gallery and every artist that is, willing to work with us. So that's a big advantage. And then we're going to grow the space as both gallery and a place for our clients to use to kind of move in and out of pieces as their collections change. If a client, for any reason, has to see something in their home during working hours, we will stop and make a point of getting that painting to their house. And that's a big part of this, is just working one-on-one with the clients.